Welcome to Level 3 Readiness. What are we getting into today? Well, let me just give you a real quick glance of what's around me. Stick around and find out. Level 3 out. Guess what's going on today, y'all? We're going to pick up a kayak. I love going to pick up gear. Taylor's gonna get one today, and we've got some adventure planned. Might even be a little bit of collaboration between our Best-Life and Level 3 Readiness. We'll keep you posted. But I've got problems. I've got all these straps tangled up. I got a mess to clean up, and I got coffee to drink. We'll get back with you. Level 3 out. All right, we got it loaded up. There it is. Excited, Taylor?
Oh yeah.
Man.
It's in good shape. Can't wait to get it out on the water, see how it does, and me and Dad do some exploring.
We're gonna get it done, y'all. Later.
It'd be nice having that little trolley too.
There they are. That's mine, the Patriot. Taylor's newly acquired Angler.
Angler 12.
Angler 12. Man, that thing is like right for adventure. Look at all the cargo space. That's cool.
Oh yeah.
So good Lord willing, we're gonna see these guys or these boats on the river in just a few days. We got a little bit of planning to do first though.
Yep. Lord willing.
Stay tuned. Yeah, I mean the good thing is I'm in this water right now with my legs and feet. I'm fine.
Yeah. I don't feel bad.
I mean, it's enough right now to start putting my feet into cold shock, but
okay.
But I can bear it. We're getting ready to take it down Reedy Fork Creek and see what this thing's got for us. We're looking forward to it. Out. I sure hope that I was recording back there, because that was like one crazy obstacle.
Dad, if we gotta drag this boat up these banks, I think we're gonna be in trouble. You know?
We'll make a way.
Oh. Yeah, I reckon we can do that.
Yeah, we're looking at our first obstacle. We don't know how many of these we're gonna come across.
We went 100 yards.
You think this is the one you saw on the map?
Probably.
You said it was about 100 yards, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa, these things are slick.
The rocks?
Yes, sir.
Thought Lana was gonna slip for a second.
They are so slick.
Yeah, I was thinking, you said boots, and I was like, I got boots. I got waterproof boots. We putting them jokers on.
They got moss all over them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine slipping and like jamming your toe.
Uh-huh. But I'm just thinking, if I was out here by myself, I gotta figure out a way to make this work. So we figured it out. And look at these banks. Like,
Alright, much thanks.
that's easily 15-foot banks. It'd be hard to tow the boat up that.
So, anyways, Level 3 made it. All of our crew made it. I might have to steal some footage from our Best-Life, Taylor Petty's channel. We'll see. All right, back to the river. Shallowford. Everything works out. Here we go, here we go. Let's see how we fare through this. Yeah. All right, fun times on the creek. I compare it a lot to Haw River. We shouldn't be surprised, and it's gonna empty right into the Haw. Probably about, I don't know, 7 miles in. Oh, didn't see that. Are we there yet? Yeah, I'm listening. I don't know. And I'm pretty sure it's all gonna flow back around. Yeah. Well, this way looks more manageable. It may or may not be. It's like, what is this? Huh? I'm gonna get over here and peek a little bit.
See, it looks like it's blocked right there.
Like this one down?
Well, let's try picking our way through here. What do you say?
Yeah, that's what I would do.
All right. I don't know if you see them back there, but got caught up on the rocks. I found one to kind of bank on. I hope I can get off of it when they get up here.
I was trying to follow her,
Yeah.
and she got stuck, so
Yeah.
I should have had a little more room.
Yeah, we got one made it.
I look like she had it.
Yeah, I think it's
It looks like it just goes down there.
I know.
See, but now it's getting this way and that way.
Mm-hmm. I think it's gonna go around again too.
Yeah.
Sure, if I can get it. Toss it. A handoff would have been more.
I know, I was like, me and Lana did a handoff and was out there and still stuff. You put my next one.
Yeah.
That's the other thing with all those rocks. Like, you can't get through water until you hit the rock.
Yeah. All right, want to keep trucking? Want to keep trucking? All right. Let's get off this rock. Oh man. Yep. No doubt, sometimes kayaking can be a lot of work. Try to pick some better lines. The sense of adventure is something that eludes most, and this stretch of waterway, it grants it to us. The journey had question marks all over it. We had absolutely no idea if we'd succeed or fail at reaching our destination. And with anxiousness and anticipation of the unknown, we all faced uncertainty and all felt the excitement of this paddle. When we started, we were nervous, but when we finished, we felt again that excitement and joy of having finished what we started and finishing strong. It's what Level 3 Readiness does. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. Watch to the end. There's a challenge coming. He done beached himself. Yeah, it was. Yeah, and it's like you pick some good lines and you pick some bad lines, you know? Huh? Bridge? What bridge? Oh, the old bridge. Yeah. Man.
Lana got stuck and I was just like,
I saw you, man. Right into her.
Can't do anything.
Right into her.
I was like, I can't steer.
And you know, that forced me to find a better line.
Right.
Yeah.
My line was taking my longest. I didn't have one. I probably ended up turning around because I was like, my front end was forced in between the rocks.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to take turns next time. Lana, you're in the back because you keep holding this up.
Shoot. I would never say that about Lana. I've watched her pick way better lines.
Really?
Yeah, I followed her through stuff before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've done that the past 2 times. I got stuck.
Yes, we're looking at this bridge right here, thinking this is probably Highway 61. So we've made kind of our first mile marker. We said if it was gonna be too rigorous of a paddle, we might get out right here, climb up the bank and call for help. But so far, so good.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It was the halfway point to Ultimate Hall.
Because you've got Altamahal, then you have Shallowford.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, then you have either Glencoe or Great Bend, and then you have Red Slide, then you have Saxpahal.
Which one did we drop off at?
Shallowford.
Oh, so that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Not Saxpahal, Shallowford. Okay, yeah, I'm getting confused. But, no, it was the halfway point. You know how Northeast Park said it was 10 miles to get to Altamahal?
Yeah.
Well, this bridge was like halfway in between.
So we've gone approximately 5 miles.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Gotta catch up with that orange boat right there. Do the same thing she did. Let's see if we can hit it just right. Yeah. There's an eddy. Or back there's an eddy.
Yeah, I'm about to hit this. This thing is so hard to steer. I cannot steer this thing. I'm gonna buy a whitewater kayak.
We'll exchange insurance information later. I'm gonna have to spoon some water out of this thing when we get to wherever we get to eat.
Really?
I mean, it ain't much. I got maybe a ½ inch of water in the deepest part of my boat. Yeah, when I go through the choppy stuff, yeah, water's just.
I probably don't like them boats.
Uh-huh.
I will have like 5 gallons of water.
5 gallons. I wish I'd have snapped a picture at that first log we had to climb over
Yeah.
and sent it to your mama and said, oh no.
I got the footage on my GoPro. I was going up to it and I had it on the whole time I was crossing it. So.
I thought I had mine on. I think it got hit and turned off.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
I'll have to go back and look and see. Huh?
They're not gotten me hanging off the tree. I was just thinking about that. I was like, I hope it wasn't recording. I really was hanging off the tree. My leg was wrapped around it, and the rest of my body was under this strong water.
Yeah. I reached back to look to see what I had to grab, but wasn't really nothing there.
I know. I was like, I grabbed the tree had like deep ridges in it.
Yeah.
I grabbed those, and I was good.
Did like a rock climber and found a crevice. Oh my goodness.
What do you think the best way to approach it is? close to the edge?
Like this?
Yes.
Straight to you?
All the way to the edge.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, once you go over that right there, it's a really fast slope
Right.
into more rocks.
Yeah. All right.
That's what I say, man. I'd really feel better if we all...
Now, what if you just come right here?
Yeah, I mean, that would be better. If I can get your boats up right here.
Yeah. I mean, because it looks about the same steepness right here as it does right there.
Right. What I did, I banked up and pushed up on it.
Right. Oh man, look at that view. Oh, all them briars. Man, that's pretty right there. All right, we're gonna try to bank up. I'm just gonna not record this part because it's gonna be a lot of finagling.
All right, guys, let's do it. Let's catch us eating lunch right here. We avoided that right there. Oh man, so I hate it we're not gonna get to film some more. But you know, from here on out, I think it's pretty much gonna be some smooth paddling, and maybe I'll have enough battery just to show you we made it safe to Shallowford. But as of right now, level 3 out. We've about come to the end of our journey. All the fun is now behind us. We got maybe a quarter-mile easy paddle back to the campground parking lot. We'll pick up there. All right, level 3 out. All right, so we made it back to Shallowford. We put in at Northeast Park about 10:30 or so. We got back here 4 o'clock-ish. So it's about a 5-hour paddle from Northeast Park to Shallowford. You know, we got it going on. We had a great lunch. Our GoPros died. You know, so I hope the footage we can compile together between Level 3 Readiness channel and Taylor Petty's Our Best Life channel. Maybe we can put together a decent video. But anyways, like I said, we've made it back. It was me on the river, my oldest Taylor, my middle daughter Lana that you saw out there, and she's down here somewhere. So, you know, my personal opinion, and I'm gonna get everybody's opinion on this one. I thought that the Reedy Fork, Reedy Creek, Reedy Fork Creek, whatever it is, I thought it was one of the funner paddles I've been on in the Hall River system and surrounding water systems. You know, both of these behind me have been on the river too, so.
I like it.
Yep. Reedy Creek?
Reedy Creek, yeah. Thought that was definitely funner than once we got like past the dam. So up here was more smooth. There was definitely some spots though that were pretty fun, but that spot from Reedy Creek to before you got to the dam, really Reedy Creek to the 61 bridge was really fun.
So definitely a lot of like fun sections out there. You know, like I said, for me it was really worth the paddle, really worth the extra effort of climbing over obstacles and porting around the dam right there near the 87 bridge. All right, so level 3, that was a great paddle. All right, level 3 out. All right, so man, we made it. What a day it was on the river. You know, on the creek, however you want to call Reedy Fork Creek, but it was an adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed the video this week, and let me just say that you know, there goes that
There's that in the world again. I think it's another challenge coming my way. Let me check it out. Yeah, check it out. All right. Yep. All right. So here we got it. Congratulations. I deem your first challenge a success. I told you that was a campfire that was worthy of s'mores. Hadn't seen that video? Check it out. Anyway, it goes on to say, your next challenge, should you decide to accept it, still revolves around fire. This will be a level 2 challenge. Be warned, it gets harder. I'll take a challenge that gets harder. All right, so seeing as your first fire was a success, I hope you took advantage of the pro tip, as you will need char cloth. I called that right. The level 2 challenge requires you to make a second campfire, and this time with flint and steel. All right, that sounds like fun. The same restrictions apply for materials. You're allowed a knife of your choice, an opportunity to upgrade. Look at that. I had to give that some thought. Do I still want to use the Gerber Freeman guide or try to find me something else? But anyways, a striker and a piece of chert. And don't forget to take the opportunity to enjoy your fire if you succeed. Good luck. All right, well, again, as I said last time, I say it again, challenge accepted. All right, so we're gonna close this video out and start thinking about how we're gonna do our flint and steel fire next. But again, let me say thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for you know, the subscriptions I've got already. And hey, if you like this stuff I'm doing, subscribe to the channel. I'm putting them out every week. Show me some support. And you know, that be said, again, what a time. You know, we had obstacles to get over. We had the dam portage to get through. We made it all the way, and it was some kind of I mean, challenge, because mentally we hadn't been on that stretch of river, and we stepped up to the challenge and we got it done. And you know, that's what level 3 does. You know, we get it done. We're strong mentally, physically, spiritually. We're not afraid to take on challenges and step out into the unknown. I hope you can rise up to the challenges too. And if you don't have any challenges as of yet, think about the ones I'm doing right now with just some basic skills with fire making. Accept those challenges. Those details were read out in the challenge that was given to me, and also in a week or so's video, the Gerber Freeman Guide review. Again, so that be said, thanks guys, I appreciate it. This is level 3 reminding you, all right, finish what you start and finish strong, and be ready for anything, because it's coming. Level 3 out.